If you watched the Cadillac lyric piece, you know that I talked about Martin Campbell here buying an electric vehicle. You finally pulled the plug,
I
huh?
did pull the plug.
And what did you buy?
I got a Genesis GV70,
The electrified
the
version.
electrified version. We stepped into the electrified community.
And what do you think?
Oh, we liked it.
Yeah,
My wife loves it.
it's a great vehicle.
Yeah, it's more her car than mine.
Oh, well,
Yeah,
yeah, that happens.
yeah. I've driven it, I think, since we've had it, I think 4 times.
Oh, okay. He's at it for like a month and a half. You bought this particular car.
Yeah.
This is the car that we tested. So you bought the press vehicle.
Yes, I did.
And it went through Mudfest.
Yeah, it actually got broken in by all the journalists.
Yeah.
That
Broken in.
we were afraid of that, but the car was actually great, and it's performing exactly the way we test drove it, and doing really well.
Oh, excellent. Well, we'll get updates from Martin and, let you know how it's going. But so far, everything's good,
Everything's great.
even though journalists beat it up.
Yeah.
You're a brave man.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I mean, we knew it was checked out.
Yeah. Oh, they did a great job.
All right. Hey, thanks for being loyal supporters of this channel. Really appreciate it. Keep watching. We'll keep making videos. And isn't it great that you actually got to hear Martin talk? For Martin Campbell, I'm Tom Voelk.